Learn Gujarati fast. I am here to, that is okay, and
બધું ઠીક છે.
welcome to Gujarati with zero panic. Hey, you are here to learn useful Gujarati without sounding like a malfunctioning robot. Good news. Today you get practical phrases, tiny jokes, and plenty of repetition. Imagine you walk into a room with confidence, a notebook, and maybe an emergency snack. You smile and say,
હું અહીં શીખવા માટે છું.
that means, I am here to learn. If you want to help, say,
હું અહીં મદદ કરવા માટે છું.
and if you want the flexible master phrase, use
હું અહીં માટે છું.
This phrase is like arriving at life with a mission statement, but in a much cooler way. Your first superpower. Let's make the first phrase stick in your brain like a catchy song you did not ask for but now secretly enjoy. Say it slowly.
હું અહીં માટે છું.
I am here too. Now with a purpose.
હું અહીં સાંભળવા માટે છું.
I am here to listen. Now try a dramatic movie voice.
હું અહીં મદદ કરવા માટે છું.
Yes, you sound helpful already. Tiny memory trick. Chest tap 4.
હું
Point down 4.
અહીં
Then gesture forward for purpose in
માટે છું.
the office of mild chaos. Now let's drop these phrases into a funny little story. You just arrived at an office where nothing is fully broken, but nothing is fully normal either. You enter the office lobby and declare,
હું અહીં મદદ કરવા માટે છું.
A printer groans like an old goat. A manager appears, points to a sign, and says,
અસુવિધા માટે મને માફ કરશો.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Then a ceiling fan makes one suspicious sound, everybody freezes, and grandma-level calm enters the room.
તે બરાબર છે.
That is okay. You look around and whisper to yourself, maybe too optimistically,
બધું ઠીક છે.
all right. The printer disagrees, but your Gujarati is improving. Polite, calm phrases. These next expressions are gold when you want to sound kind, calm, and impressively composed. For reassurance, say,
તે બરાબર છે.
that is okay. For a bigger everything is fine feeling, say,
બધું ઠીક છે.
all right. For a polite apology, say,
અસુવિધા માટે મને માફ કરશો.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. These phrases are useful in shops, offices, travel, and those weird moments when a machine starts blinking for emotional reasons. Later, please. Sometimes you do not want to say no. You just want to gently move the conversation into the future like a polite time wizard. Here is your magic phrase.
શું આપણે એ પછી ચર્ચા કરી શકીએ?
It means, can we discuss that later? Picture yourself in a meeting. Someone opens slide number 84. Your soul leaves your body. But your mouth stays polite and says,
શું આપણે એ પછી ચર્ચા કરી શકીએ?
elegant, respectful, survival-oriented, mini dialogue drama. Let's hear the phrases in action. You listen, smile, and maybe imagine all of this happening in a very dramatic office with too much tea. A. Why are you here? B.
હું અહીં શીખવા માટે છું.
A. The meeting room is closed. B.
અસુવિધા માટે મને માફ કરશો.
A. Is this plan acceptable? B.
તે બરાબર છે.
A. We need to debate this for 3 more hours. B.
શું આપણે એ પછી ચર્ચા કરી શકીએ?
A. The Wi-Fi works again. B.
બધું ઠીક છે.
Quick recall challenge. Time for a fast quiz. No pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure, but the fun kind. How do you say, I am here to?
હું અહીં માટે છું.
How do you say, that is okay?
તે બરાબર છે.
How do you say, I'm sorry for the inconvenience?
અસુવિધા માટે મને માફ કરશો.
How do you say, can we discuss that later?
શું આપણે એ પછી ચર્ચા કરી શકીએ?
How do you say, all right?
બધું ઠીક છે.
Say it like you mean it. Now repeat with confidence. Even if you are in pajamas, speak like a diplomat who also knows where the snacks are. Repeat.
હું અહીં શીખવા માટે છું.
Repeat.
તે બરાબર છે.
Repeat.
અસુવિધા માટે મને માફ કરશો.
Repeat.
શું આપણે એ પછી ચર્ચા કરી શકીએ?
Repeat.
બધું ઠીક છે.
Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Seriously, your Gujarati is already sounding more natural and more useful. Today you practiced 5 powerful phrases.
હું અહીં માટે છું. તે બરાબર છે. અસુવિધા માટે મને માફ કરશો. શું આપણે એ પછી ચર્ચા કરી શકીએ?
And.
બધું ઠીક છે.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and use them in real life when you can. You are doing better than you think. See you in the next lesson.